Want to boost your Windows 11 performance without installing new RAM? In this video, we'll show you how to increase your system's virtual memory to speed up your PC. Right-click the Windows icon and click Settings. In the System section, click Display. Scroll down to Related Settings and click Advanced Display. Select your monitor from the list, for example, Display 1. Click Display Adapter Properties for Display 1. In the new window, click on the Color Management tab. Click the Color Management button to open another box. In the new window, go to the Advanced tab. Click Change System Defaults at the bottom. In the next box, go to the Advanced tab again. Check the box for Use Windows Display Calibration. Click Close, then OK, and close all windows. Restart your computer or laptop to apply the reset color settings. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.